Let's start with the first tool, which is the selection tool. It has very handy shortcut of the letter V. So whenever you have any other tool active, just press the letter V to initialize that selection tool. The selection tool selects the object. It cannot select the individual anchor points. It will select the whole object. For example, this is a rectangle and I can select it by the selection tool by just clicking on it. You can move it also by clicking the object and drag it wherever you want with the selection tool. You can also transform the object. If you hover at any of these points at the corners, the cursor changes and then click on it and drag. You will be able to manipulate the object. If you want to distort, even like this, you can do that. If you want to transform or resize any object proportionally, press the Shift key and then click and drag. By pressing Shift key, you will be able to resize the object proportionally. If you want to resize the object proportionally starting from the center point, press the Alt key and click and drag. And if you want to rotate the object, you can just hover near these corners. You can simply click and drag and you can rotate it. So here you go. This is how you can use the selection tool.